So wheel alignment, like I said, it's a pretty low-hanging fruit. Most workshops already have wheel alignment and a wheel aligner equipment. And a wheel alignment for a typical mass market car today does not take more than 10 minutes using Hunter's latest wheel alignment systems. This is an industry that's very close to our hearts at Madhus. We started by supplying wheel aligners, wheel balancers almost 40 years ago. So this is literally in our DNA. You know, we know wheel alignment, and over the years, because we came from a tire shop background, we understood the pain points of wheel alignment, and we were able to train hundreds of technicians over the last 40 years. So when we talk about wheel alignment as a business, let me lay out some sample numbers. A typical wheel alignment, if we say, takes about 10 minutes using high-tech equipment, and we can take an average rate of 700 rupees per alignment. It could be more or less. And if we talk about doing 4 or 5 alignments in a particular hour, we are talking about a revenue of 3 to 3,500 rupees per hour. There is no service in our industry that even comes close to this kind of profit per minute. Wheel alignment is the king globally as well. It's not just in India. The challenge comes in India because wheel alignment is not seen as a stand-alone business. Most decisions taken on purchase of wheel alignment systems are taken based on the price or as a package. Wheel alignment is just seen as another tool in the entire package. We at Madhus believe that this has to change to improve the workshop profitability. This doesn't mean that every small outlet should have some expensive wheel alignment systems. If we are opening a small outlet in a rural area, we are expecting a maximum of 4 or 5 cars per day. Yes, we have to go with whatever is the most affordable. But once the volumes scale up, we believe it is time for the dealership owners and the management to focus on wheel alignment as a service and invest in that particular service. And this is where Madhus, we have a 25-year-long partnership with Hunter Engineering Company. Hunter is the world's #1 in wheel alignment systems. They have some very unique products, and we believe that we are the right partners for dealerships and OEMs to enhance the alignment business, thus leading to better profitability in the overall industry. Being from a tire industry background, we also know how to sell alignment as a service. During the panel discussion, we were talking about how a service advisor should actually move into advising rather than just doing a clerical job. This is where Madhus can help in marketing wheel alignment as a service. So that is what we wanted to add. We have worked closely with many dealerships across India. We start not by selling, but by understanding their current requirements. We do what is called a survey, where we go to each workshop, we inspect each and every equipment, the condition, the working of the machine, and then we talk about suggestions to the customer. So this is how Madhus is working, and we would of course love to partner with OEMs and dealerships and workshops across the country to modernize our entire Indian industry. Thank you all for giving me a chance to speak, and thank you very much.